Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to capture and share your charts and setups directly from TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simplest way to take a screenshot on TradingView, whether you need that image for a presentation, a report, or just to share on social media. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean image of your chart and use it however you need. So let's dive right in and start from the very beginning. First, you'll want to go to TradingView. You can open it up in your browser, or if you're using the app, that works just as well. Once you're on TradingView, you'll probably notice lots of options and products on the main page. Take a moment to select the specific chart or product you want to capture. Maybe it's a favorite stock, a crypto pair, or one of your custom setups. Choosing the right chart here is important because this is what you'll be taking a snapshot of, so make sure it's set up exactly how you want it to look. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. TradingView's interface is pretty clean, but there are a lot of icons up there. What you're looking for is the little camera symbol. It shouldn't be too hard to spot. It's usually right above your chart, and it looks exactly like a camera, which is perfect since we're about to take a picture. Now give that icon a click. If you're worried about clicking the wrong thing, don't stress. The camera usually only shows up on the chart view, and clicking it won't make any unexpected changes to your layout. As soon as you click the camera icon, TradingView will offer you a couple of different ways to save your screenshot. You'll see options like download image and copy image. Let's talk about downloading first. If you hit download image, TradingView instantly prepares a snapshot of exactly what's on your chart, all your indicators, annotations, whatever you've added. You might need to wait just a few seconds while it processes, but don't worry if it takes a moment. This is normal, especially for busy charts. Once it's ready, a clean PNG file will download right to your computer. This file is super handy if you want to keep a local copy, email it, or upload it somewhere else. Alternatively, you could choose copy image. This is great if you're just looking to quickly paste the chart into an email, a PowerPoint, or a program like Paint or Photoshop. After copying, just go to the other application and use paste, usually by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V, depending on your system. If you're working on a project and want to keep things moving fast, this is definitely the way to go. And there's one more neat option. You can copy link or open image in a new tab. This is perfect if you want to share your chart with someone and let them view it online. TradingView generates a direct link to your image, which is really convenient for sending in chats, forums, or anywhere else. Clicking Open a new tab also lets you preview that exact image in your browser before sharing. And that's all there is to it. Whether you want a saved file, a quick copy, or a shareable link, TradingView's built-in screenshot tools make it super easy to grab whatever you need. If this helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I always check the comments and love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this so you never miss a tip. See you in the next video.